I'm going to install this dash cam here in this car. It's a Mercedes C-Class, and I want to route the cable to hide it under this panel here, and the camera will go here on the passenger side. I've already taken everything out the box, so this is obviously the camera, and here I've inserted the micro SD card as well. And this is the mount, goes on the windscreen, and the power cable, but I'm not going to use this one because it goes in the cigarette lighter socket. But I got myself a USB one, a USB cable, so I can use this adapter here for an additional, so I have an additional plug to use it for charging my phone. Okay, I'm gonna start at the top here to route the cable through this panel, and first I will just put the camera here. Okay, because I need to make sure how much cable I need, how much extra cable I need here. So I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, the cable is plugged in. Now I can start routing it from here. There should be enough room here, like the gap, so you can put the cable in. And if it's too tight, then we can use a pry tool. I'm gonna use a pry tool here because it's a bit tight. Also here, this corner. Okay, now I'll get the camera out the way because I know where the cable is gonna go. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, now here in this corner we need to open the panel, so when this part comes off, then we can put the cable here. Okay, so I have to put the cable through here inside, as you can see. I just had to put the camera aside because I was recording with one hand, so I needed both hands to do this. Anyways, I'm sure you get the idea what you have to do. So, and then the cable goes further in here, and we can also put it through here, through this gap. So it just goes in easy. Also, something important I need to mention, I just remembered, some of the cars have an airbag in here, in the side panel installed. So yeah, if it says airbag on here, then you have to be super careful when you put the cable through here. So don't push it too far down, just put it through here in the beginning. And yeah, please do all of this, any of this work you do it at your own risk, because you know, anything can happen anytime. But yeah, you have to be careful. So now we got until this point here, so I'm gonna open this side. Okay, so we can push the cable more in until we get down here. Okay, the rest of the cable can go through here, and what we have to do next is underneath the footwell area, like down there, there are 3 screws here in the middle, and then on the sides there's one in this side, on this side, and one on this side here. We have to undo the screws. I think it's T20 Torx bit that you need. And yeah, to open this cover, and once this whole cover here is open, then you can see the cable, and then you can feed it through here. Yeah, and the cable would come out here. So yeah, first of all, let me just undo the screws here. Second one. And the third one. Okay, now we got more room here to feed the cable through. Okay, this is good. Now we can close it, tightening the screws back in. I think I'm going to close this part in the end after the cable is routed all the way, because I need to push some of this back in if it's too long. Okay, so now we are here. All the cable is hidden apart from here at the end. I'm probably gonna leave it here because otherwise I would have to open this panel, and then there's like maybe like drill a hole here to have the cable come out here, but I don't want to do all of that, and I think this is good enough. You know, cable's just coming out here and then plug it into the USB connection here. Okay, so there's some extra cable. I can push it back in. And with the pry tool, just hide it a bit more. Okay, yeah, that's it. So the only cable that's visible now is here from the side to the socket. I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna tighten the screws back in and then attach the camera. Now I can close the side here again. That's the camera installed. Okay, let's see if the camera is working. Plugged in. Yeah, seems to be working fine. Okay, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and maybe see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.